stay small, taught me fear, built that wall. But every puff I take breaks bricks. Every breath rewrites a script. I ain't a slave, I ain't a pawn. My mind don't bow before no dawn. I light this up, I close my eyes and rise beyond their plastic lies. The system sick, it feeds on sleep, but I've been dreaming wide and deep. They watch screens, I watch the sky with lungs full red and soul too high. No chains on me, can't hold my flame, burning clean through every name. No chains on me, no locked up view. I broke that frame and walked on through. The rules they wrote don't reach me now, my truth too loud. They don't know how, they got fake gods and shiny fear. But I got trees and smoke that's clear. Every hit a quiet fight, every exhale feels so right. They preach control, they sell the lie, but I've seen freedom in the sky. I sit still, but I ain't tame. I play no game, I want no fame. Just this blunt, this breath, this beat in my bed. Truth under my feet. No chains on me, can't hold my flame, burning clean through every name. No chains on me, no locked up view. I broke that frame and walked on through. No fence, no fear. I breathe, I steer. So when they look, they see a haze, but I see clear through all their maze. They think I'm lost cause I don't kneel, but I'm the one who learned to feel. So light it loud and stand up slow, don't hide your fire, let it show. No chains, no guilt, make key, just breathe and smoke and I'm set free. No chains on me, can't hold my flame, burning clean through every name. No chains on me, no locked up view. I broke that frame and walked on through. Yeah, I walk alone, but I walk free. Yeah, it's thick tonight, but I see through it. Eyes glazed, thoughts slow, heartbeat moving like it's sunk below. I take a hit, let the silence hum. Every sound now feels like a drum. Street light bleeds on the concrete skin, but I ain't really out or in. There's a space between my breath and brain, where the weight of years feels like rain. I don't chase escape, I chase the still. That moment where the mind stands still, where every lie, every mask I made gets washed out in the smoky fade. And I'm sitting here, half in the dark, but I swear this room got a beating heart. It's not the weed, it's what it shows. The stuff I bury, the shit I know. Through the haze, I see me clear, not the face, but what's in here through the haze. The noise goes mute, and all that's left is raw and true. I've walked with doubt, I've sat with fear, smoked with ghosts that still breathe near. Sometimes the trip don't lift me high, sometimes it digs, makes me ask why. But I don't run, I let it dig, even when the vibe gets big, even when the walls breathe back, even when the air turns black. Cause there's gold in this thick terrain, truths that only come with strain. Not the type that you just inhale, the kind you earn when you exhale. People say I'm lost in smoke, but I found more here than when I woke. More than news feeds, more than trends in this stillness. Bullshit ends through the haze. I see me clear, not the face, but what's in here through the haze. The noise goes mute, and all that's left is raw and true. Close your eyes, let it rise, let it burn. Feel the turn, just deeper into where I stay. I see myself not as a name, but as a flicker in the flame. And when I leave this haze behind, I walk out slower, more aligned. Not cause weed made me a god, but cause I saw what I forgot. Through the haze, I came alive, breathing more than just to survive. Through the haze, I found my view, and in that smoke, I met what's true. Yeah. Still here, but lighter now. Yeah, it's not here anymore. Mind's on fire. I took a hit and left the floor. Now I'm thoughts and light, nothing more. Colors crawl across the wall, every second stretching tall. Heartbeat knock like tribal sound. Time distorts, no up, no down. No fake calm, this ain't mild. This flame is sacred, raw and wild. I don't blink, I just absorb. Every thought a liquid orb. Ideas melt and fuse and wire. I'm flying with a mind on fire. Mind on fire, can't look back. Burning trails through mental black. Mind on fire, can't stay low. Every drag makes the edges go. Mind on fire, can't look back. Burning trails through mental black. Mind on fire, can't stay low. Every drag makes the edges go. Smoke like ink, it writes the sky. Shapes appear behind my eye. Voices blend with beats I feel. What is fake now feels so real. Mirror twisting, breathing glass. Questions hit me hard and fast, but I don't panic, don't retire. I just move with my mind on fire. Space ain't empty, it responds to every spark that goes beyond. No floor, no fear, no liar. Just soul, just sound, just fire. Mind on fire, can't look back. Burning trails through mental black. Mind on fire, can't stay low. Every drag makes the edges go. Mind on fire, can't look back. Burning trails through mental black. Mind on fire, can't stay low. Every drag makes the edges go. Let it burn, let it rise. No control, only sky. I've seen gods behind my grin, felt my skin dissolve within. Every step I take ain't mine, I'm just flowing on the line. And when the flame begins to dim, I'll still glow from deep within. Not cause I chase some cheap desire, but cause I lit my mind on fire. Mind on fire, can't look back. Burning trails through mental black. Mind on fire, can't stay low. Every drag makes the edges go. Mind on fire, can't look back. Burning trails through mental black. Mind on fire, can't stay low. Every drag makes the edges go. Yeah, still burning, even in silence. To come back down. I don't touch the floor no more. My mind been kicked through another door. ash on my shirt, fire in my lungs. Bassline hits like tribal drums. Every breath rewrites the code. Every puff explodes the mold. I ain't just high, I'm breaking through. Above the smoke, beyond the view, my ceiling cracked. Now stars shining, every limit burns from deep within. They say I'm lost, nah, I'm free. This world ain't big enough for me. Burn the ceiling, light the sky. Don't ask how, don't ask why. Burn the ceiling, feel that flame. Too high now to play that game.
I see fear in sober eyes. They locked in frames I vaporize. This smoke don't numb, it amplifies. Truth so loud it terrifies. No fake peace, no empty zen. This is raw soul with a smoky pen. No gods, no scripts, no cage. Just me and this fire, page by page. I don't float, I rise and crash. Tear the veil, break the mask. If you still dream, then stay asleep. I'm too far gone, I'm in too deep.
Burn the ceiling, light the sky. Don't ask how, don't ask why. Burn the ceiling, feel that flame. Too high now to play that game. No limit, no law. One fire, one draw. Now I glow with the darker shine. Eyes like coals, thoughts like mine. No return, no second plan. I'll burn it all just 'cause I can. So roll it tight, spark it loud. Let your head break from the crowd. No more walls, no fake feeling. Light that mind and burn the ceiling. Burn the ceiling, light the sky. Don't ask how, don't ask why. Burn the ceiling, feel that flame. Too high now to play that game. Stay on the ground. I ain't falling, I'm floating. Yeah. I lit the fire, then lost the ground. Now I move without a sound. Skin don't feel, feet don't land. All I know is smoke and sand. The stars don't blink, they breathe with me. I'm drifting far, but I feel free. No gravity, no floor, no sky. Just that rhythm, slow and high. Don't need a map, I close my eyes. The path unfolds like liquid signs. This ain't escape, it's elevation. This joint, my soul transportation. Gravity gone, I'm out of time. Floating deep, where the pulse don't rhyme. Gravity gone, no chain, no weight. Rising high in the smoky gate. Gravity gone, can't pull me down. Eyes like stars, I don't touch ground. My breath paints shapes that move and spin. Thoughts explode and melt within. just leave. I'm not stuck, I'm not slow. I'm just made of smoke and glow. And when it ends, I won't regret. I've seen the edge most don't get yet. So if I fade, don't call it wrong. I'm floating where I do belong. Gravity gone, I'm out of time. Floating deep where the pulse don't rhyme. Gravity gone, no chain, no weight. Rising high through the smoky gate. Gravity gone, can't pull me down. Eyes like stars, I don't touch ground. Yeah, I'm gone, but I'm good. I took a hit to calm the storm, but found a place I ain't known before, where words don't reach and time don't move, and even silence starts to groove. It ain't dark, it ain't light, it's just a still and endless night, where memories float like colored dust, and I just breathe, don't need to trust. No thoughts to chase, no fear to feed, just the space where I don't need this moment soft, this rhythm caught. I'm living smoke between the thoughts, smoke between the thoughts. I slide, no need to run, no need to hide. Smoke between the thoughts. I stay, drifting slow and in between way. I used to talk just to not hear me, used to move so I wouldn't see, but now I sit and let it burn, watching feelings twist and turn. It ain't peace, but it ain't war, it's just not needing nothing more. Every drag a wordless prayer that clears the weight I used to wear. I don't know what's next or past, but right now feels like it could last. So I don't fight, I don't get caught, just drifting smoke between the thoughts, smoke between the thoughts. I slide, no need to run, no need to hide. Smoke between the thoughts. I stay, drifting slow in the in-between way. No pressure, no plan, just breathing where I am. And when the light begins to break and thoughts return like waves that shake, I hold this space, I won't forget the silence where I found me yet. So roll again, but not to flee, just to return to what I be, where nothing's wrong and nothing's far, just me and smoke between the thoughts, smoke between the thoughts. I slide, no need to run, no need to hide. Smoke between the thoughts. I stay, drifting slow in the in-between way. Still here, still clear, still high.